felt that for us. I don't want it.
Hey.
Hey, what's up, y'all? What's up, what's up, what's up?
So I tried to make this happen. I really tried to make this happen. Husband been MIA. He been on night work. Everybody been asking about him.
Night work suck.
There he is.
What's up, everybody?
So we went to our little spot, the Clock Bar, around Germantown and area in Philadelphia. So hit up that spot. We got, it's called Twirl That A in a circle. They give you 2 clusters of Alaskan.
Yes.
And they give you like a dozen of shrimps, and they give you a piece of corn.
And when she say A, she mean $A, $sign.
I think that people know that.
Yeah. Yo, let me tell you something. Yo, this look good. And I got my little...
We got a drizzy. Hey. It's the weekend.
Yeah.
Beyond it being a weekend, we thank God for we thank God for baby Jesus. Even though today isn't his birth, I mean Christmas isn't his birthday technically, but whatever. Yeah, that's another story. But yeah, let's get to it.
We digging in.
Digging in.
I'm going in.
Oh, you know what? I said I'm gonna pull my hair back. Got this little, y'all see my scrunchie. I said before I get started, I'm tired of, I don't want no crab residue. I want no crab residue all up in my stuff. I was like, I've been having a video on my own.
Not by choice, y'all. You know, I gotta do what I gotta do. I pay those bills. Those deficits.
Sure enough. I don't never stop. They don't care if it's Jesus' birthday or not.
Yeah.
They say, I still want your money.
Yes, they do.
Oh. Hello. Who want that? I do. Let me taste a piece of corn. Oh, you already got it too?
That's okay. That thing good, y'all. That thing looks good. It tastes good. I've been away for a little minute, you know, so I ain't had a chance to do nothing. Make up for it today.
Season's greetings, everyone. We hope y'all have an enjoyable holiday.
And with your family, y'all. That's what's important. The material stuff is not important. You'll have it, lose it. Get it back, have it, lose it.
My cousin was telling me about a family that she was buying for because they had a fire. And they opened their eyes. Their responses, I'm just glad to be alive. I get it. We take all that stuff for granted. Ooh, yeah. Look, there it is, y'all. In the mid. But yeah, we have a tendency of taking life for granted.
This ain't no dress rehearsal. You gone, you gone.
Pretty much. So, tell me, do y'all go out for shopping?
Yeah.
For the holiday? Comment below, because I'm interested in knowing what y'all do for the holiday. I mean, as I'm starting to get older,
Sorry about that.
As I'm getting older, and my kids are getting older, starting to realize, man, a lot of these holidays is definitely commercialized.
Yeah.
But do your kids really know how to be thankful and grateful? And have understanding that they're not entitled to all these extra additive stuff.
Yeah.
That society wants to say we're supposed to do. I had to remind my kids that too.
You don't understand until they have their own kids. Yeah. You know, because, you know, when you talk, you say that, like what she's saying, and blow in the face. They hear it, but what's going over their head.
Yeah, they hear it. And they be like, oh. Morning of Christmas. Face all sunken in. Because they ain't get all that they thought.
Yeah. They think it's easy and automatic, and it's not. I think the parents of today have it much harder than parents decades ago, centuries ago, when it comes to these holidays. There's so much pressure.
Maybe some of the older subscribers that were from the 60s can kind of like chime in.
Yeah.
Because that's an ongoing debate. Because my parents, they may think differently. They may think, because nowadays have it much easier. Have less worries than what they used to deal with.
And we, you know, I'm specifying, you know, holidays. I'm not specifying, you know,
all across the board, yeah.
Things being celebrated or not be able to do this or do that. I'm just saying, you know, holiday time now and stuff. You know, back then, you know, when you didn't have them, you improvised. You know, you had a lot of creativity. When now it's like, creativity's went out the window.
That's true. Very true. Can't compete with these competition, with these what is it? Electronic stuff. That's what I meant to say.
Yeah,
Can't compete with these electronic stuff. I think when I was coming up, the hottest thing was what, Atari. Atari and then Nintendo.
For me, it was ColecoVision, and then television, and it was Pong. I know a lot of y'all know what Pong. Well, that's on your age. You know what Pong is.
Yeah, he's showing his age. He old, y'all.
Pong.
But for me, it was Atari. One that Duck Hunt.
Nintendo.
Yes. Is that Nintendo?
Duck Hunt was on Nintendo.
What about the racing game? Was that Atari?
Pole position.
That pole. That's a lot. A lot has changed. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Like it?
Oh, excellent. Excellent. I'm glad we decided to follow through and come get.
Yeah, we was going back and forth. What should we eat?
Yep. I'm glad we did.
What we in the mood for?
Yep.
Our go-to food is always. What would you say our go-to food is?
I don't know, man.
I mean, if it ain't seafood, then it. What's the other food choice?
Chicken. Poultry.
Chicken.
That's it, chicken. Buffalo wing. I definitely eat this. I can't stop eating.
It has been a minute since we had these. Yeah, it has. It's definitely been a minute since we had.
Yeah, it was a week.
Yeah, several weeks. I mean, I had seafood, but not good.
Ready to take some of this drink. Take it down. After this, I'm gonna do some more online Christmas shopping.
You want something for Christmas?
Oh, that's all right.
You know, you get it around Christmas time or after.
Yep.
You know what's funny? I was thinking the same way.
Yeah.
I did a little bit of shopping in Center City, Philly, and just reminded me of why I shop online. I mean, I know I had this conversation before, and I ain't even gonna go into it because I had this conversation before. It's just so annoying.
Yeah. I break my neck, y'all, to get from down there because I work downtown, you know, so I'm there all the time, you know. It's just, you know, really, you got people that come there, you know, you got your blue collar people that come there, 9 to 5, come there, do what they got to do, and they want to go home.
But I ain't gonna lie. I went to Macy's today, down in Center City, Philly. That Macy's, when I tell you, is way better
We did all the construction in there.
than any other Macy's in the surrounding area. And I would even say even better than King of Prussia. Seriously. Way better than... And you know, we go to the one up King of Prussia quite often.
Oh, thank you.
Way better. And the crazy thing is, I don't go to the Macy's down in Center City and our downtown area that often. But today I was like, oh my God, I seen some nice deals. They had some real nice deals. I was like, Dad, why can't the one up near the house have more stuff like that?
I seen a lot of 40% off on certain stuff. I seen a lot of 40% off on certain stuff.
Well, they have a last call, so which is like, if it's like the last item, you get like 50 to 80% off or something. That's how the shoes that I got was like so cheap.
Okay.
But I still take my shopping online any day. Cause it's old. And then I was kind of pissed because when I seen the shoe that I liked, the man went and got it for me. I was ready to check out, done. Had to wait like another 20 minutes. Because the line was like backed up.
Backed up, yeah.
And there was only 2 cash registers that was ringing. I'm like, why is it taking so long just to check out? And the shoes I saw was, I don't recall seeing them online.
Yeah.
That's a funny thing, because I just be randomly looking online and stuff.
Oh, okay. And that was scary now how you sell it online because
It ain't even accurate.
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you, Tom, it's so busy to call and try to get any clarification.
It ain't
on
even just holiday. They just be like that regularly.
Yeah, they don't be updating their inventory or staying on top of it. And if you live far and you come all the way a distance, you know.
Well, that's kind of what I did.
Yeah.
So I was looking for this coat because I knew my husband wanted it. And I saw that the color and the size was at the one in Center City. Only reason I didn't mind is because my 2 older kids, my 2 boys go to school in Center City. So I said, you know what? I'll go pick them up. And then I'll go down to Macy's. Because Macy's was, that location had what I was looking for. Got in there. That was not the case. They did not have what I was looking for. And it was kind of annoying. Lucky I really had another reason to go down there.
Right.
But if I would have went down there just for that, I would have been pissed.
Oh, yeah.
Because their system said they had it.
Yeah.
Because I don't know if you know, but Macy's have an option, which I used before.
Okay.
You could select, it's called pick up in store.
Right. But sometimes they do it and they'll put it to the side, or like put it.
Yeah,
they'll take it off of stock.
They when you do that,
Yeah, GameStop does that.
y'all take it off stock, and when you go to pick it up, you go to a certain area and pick it up, and you have it readily available and stuff. So
Yeah.
it'll be all good. So yeah. But that wasn't the case. Because I tried it.
Hey, some of the weed so I could bring it up.
I don't have none.
That's why I asked you, could I show you?
Okay, bye.
Well, I'm all done, y'all.
Yeah. What's my nose in weird?
Yeah, it's not last year. Allergy.
Let me tell you something. If I ever found out I was allergic to crabs or some stuff, that would
Well,
be
man, you
devastating.
still eat them.
I would. I'd take a Benadryl real quick and call it a day.
People eat through allergic reactions. They have been because studies been shown, been diagnosed. And because you got something, you're going to not eat it and you're allergic to it. People do it and they suffer the consequences later.
I'm only saying that because I've been dealing with, like, my eyes been acting up for the last week or two.
Yeah.
Here, eat. No, eat it.
Eat what?
Eat a shrimp. Eat them.
Baby stuff. Baby girl stuff, y'all.
I'm stuffed. I'm so, and I hate wasting food. But this is the first thing we ate since breakfast. By him being on night work, we got to spend our day today. Our day together today.
Hopefully, now I'm done night work, John. So, everything back on. Putting up on. Everything back on track. Oh, man. Oh, no, I need to bed now. I'm tired. I got the itis.
Yeah. I itis too. Right now, all I can think about is going, taking my behind up, taking a shower, going to bed. But, we would like to wish everyone a happy holiday.
Yes.
From our family to yours.
Yes, we do.
Everybody that has liked, subscribe, please share. We appreciate y'all.
Yes, we do.
Y'all are great.
For sure.
So we will catch y'all in the next video.
And maybe it'll be a little after Christmas. Maybe it'll be New Year's, y'all. But all I want to say is happy holiday, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year's. And hopefully see each other on that next year. Peace out, y'all. We love you.